Hello, everybody. Gbenga Olatunji here. So today, we'll be looking at practice management. Practice management. So we'll be talking about what practice is and the management of practice. We'll be looking at controls in a practice and also areas in which control must exist and must be applied in the practice, among many other things. So what is practice? Practice, practice, practice. We've been hearing about practice. What can we say practice is? Practice actually is the actualization or bringing to reality an idea. So practice is not about theory. Practice about demonstration of what we know. Let me give us an example. A musician will say, I'm practicing, or I want to go to practice. And when they say that, they mean they want to rehearse a song. So, and rehearsal is practical demonstration of an idea in a musician's mind. And soon everybody begins to sing the song because that person is in practice. Music practice, precisely. So any idea that we have can actually be practiced. And when we practice, it means that we are demonstrating at least an idea and we are bringing it into reality. So it's no longer a matter of theory. It's a matter of practicality. That is practice. So many professions can be practiced, if not all. All professions actually could be practiced, or any idea could be brought to reality, and that is practice. So likewise, we that are accountants, when we practically demonstrate the accounting knowledge, the theories, the concepts, the principles, and the like, and we are using it on daily basis to resolve issues and problems in the society, we say we are in accounting practice. So actually today's lecture borders on accounting practice. Just like we could have practice on medicine and we call them doctors. So when we have somebody that goes to school and study medicine and begin to use the theory learned in resolving human issues, we say that person is in practice, is practicing doctor or is practicing medicine. So we could equally have a practicing lawyer, just like we have practicing accountants. So that is what practice actually means. Demonstration of what we know to resolve issues in the society or solve problem. That is practice. So when we are now talking about practice management, simply we are talking about how to ensure what we know, what we've learned, how to bring it to reality, and how to control it, how to ensure that it goes out to target markets and we achieve results using it. And of course, we use it in a way that is profitable to the practitioner. So that is management side of a practice or any practice. So practice management entails the totality of bringing idea to fore and using it to solve human and society issues and at the same time ensuring that it is profitable. It's run like a business. So practice management is a business side of accounting knowledge. So now, the business of the day. Why do we practice? So we can answer that question by